Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter cookies with no egg. First, gather all your ingredients and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need creamy peanut butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and vanilla extract. Using a stand mixer makes the process much easier, but a hand mixer works just as well. Let's get baking. Start by creaming together the peanut butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, slowly incorporate the flour, baking soda, and vanilla extract. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Once your dough is ready, roll it into small 1-inch balls. Place them on a baking sheet and use a fork to create the traditional crosshatch pattern. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. On another note, keeping your kitchen clean after baking is a breeze with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleanup effortless. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Bake your cookies in the preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Look for the edges to turn a light golden brown, indicating they are perfectly done. Once baked, it's crucial to let them cool on the baking sheet for at least 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious, egg-free treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.